Welcome back to my channel. I'm back today because I want to come and show you guys some stuff that I use to grow my hair. Also, I wanted to show you a DIY concoction you can do at home to grow your hair. You know, I've got a lot of, look at these sideburns. These are all sideburns. My edges have been growing wildly, so I'm going to show you what I've been doing. I like doing these videos of what hair products I use, from curly hair to locks. It can be used on any natural hair, and I find that a lot of people are giving me thumbs down for some reason when I'm here trying to help you guys. Like, why? I'm only trying to make us all look the same on a budget. So I've got 5 things I'm going to show you, but it's about 7. But I have 5 things to show you, and I'm going to show you exactly what they are, what's inside of them, and where you can find them. I'm in the UK, so it might be a bit different, but I'm here to help. So if you guys want to see what I use in my curly hair, my locks, my kids' hair, all of that, keep watching. And yeah, I can't wait to show you what I've got that's been helping me, that's been helping you, girl. I'm going to start off with, everyone probably heard about wild growth oil. I only repurchased this like a month ago. I've been using it for years and years and years and years. I've tried the other one, but I always like this one. It got a really strong smell, so you have to be aware of that before you buy this. But I'm not funny like that. I like any smell, as long as it doesn't smell like poop. This oil is really good. It works for my hair, and it says it helps with less frizz and flyaways. Well, I haven't used it for a couple of days, but you can see my locks are very curly, you know, naturally. So I don't use this every day. They did say that you can use it every day or every like 3 times a week, but I use it twice a week. So be aware of that. Do not use too much things in your hair, because that can clog up your scalp and your pores and all of that. You just need to give it the oil or whatever you're using few days to work and sink into your hair, your scalp and everything, and do what it needs to do. Do not wash it out too quick either, and that's what I realized has been helping my locks. I do not wash them often, and when I do wash them, I try and use peppermint shampoo, or something with aloe, or something with some natural ingredient that will definitely lift the dirt and oils away that I've been adding to my hair. So always be aware of that, because this oil is very thick, and when I use this, sometimes I mix it with a coconut oil, or I'll mix it with some olive oil, and those are the 2 other oils I'm not showing you right now that I was talking about. It could be 7 products, because I've got 5 right now. But olive oil and coconut oil is always something great to mix your other oils with, in case they're too thick, or if you do not like the smell of something. Coconut oil sometimes bring out a nicer sweet smell if you like that. And also you can use rosemary oil, peppermint oil, tea tree oil. It depends on what you want it for, and the smell, and the smell that you choose and like. A lot of people do not like tea tree oil, so they do not go for that, or peppermint oil, so they tend to stay away from that. But you can try lavender, lavender and rosemary. Those are very good as well for stimulating the scalp. But this oil is very good, very good, and it's got coconut oil in here, olive oil, rice bran oil, cocoa butter, acerola oil, whatever that is. There might be another name for it. And it's always good to research things before you try it. And it also got pomegranate oil, rosehip oil, pumpkin seed oil, mushroom, chickpea, lentil, cocoa mass, sesame seed, fragrance, and a preservative. Sounds all natural to me. I would never think you can put mushroom, chickpea, and lentil in a hair product, but it is in here. And it's always good to read ingredients in the shop or on the website, wherever you're buying from, before you buy them, to see if it's what it wants you to do, what the purpose is going to be for your hair. You just don't want to buy something because everyone's using it, and because you think, yeah, it might help me, but it might break your hair off. That happens to me a lot of times, so be aware of that when you buy certain oils and using certain things on your hair. Next is one of my favorite. I've been using this for a while now, and I'm going to show you what this looks like. This is about my third bottle over 2 years. I've been using T444Z. I get it from a hair and beauty shop in London. They sell them all over now, and I think you can also get them online. I'm not sure, but they do have a T444Z website you can purchase these from. It is a very great product, guys. I must say it's $14.99 for this product. It is so tiny for the price, but it's so worth it. I tend to mix this with my wild growth oil, and I just use that for 2-3 days a week, and that's it. When I really want to get a great, I want to get my scalp or something, refresh and growing nicely, I use these two products. So I definitely recommend T444Z or wild growth oil. It's a very natural oil as well, and it's great for maintaining flaky hair and dry hair, all of that, as all of the oils will do for your hair. It got shea butter, aloe vera, papaya, matrixia oil, German chamomile, always say chamomile over here, carrot oil, castor oil, geranium oil, Roman chamomile. So there's German chamomile and there's Roman chamomile, rose oil and rosemary oil, and also peppermint oil. So all the oils I was just talking about is in here, and it is just a beautiful smelling. I just love it. When I use this, it smells like I just came out of the salon. Like I just had my hair freshly twisted, and it is just beautiful. I really, 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 really recommend this bad boy right here. These are really disturbing me. Look, these are, I need a retwist, but I like to let my hair grow, and I can see exactly how much new growth I have before I twist my hair. This is just amazing. And I'm going to talk about Blue Magic because everyone knows about Blue Magic. It's been around for decades and decades. A lot of people say don't use Blue Magic, but I say a little bit goes a long way. I've had this for 1 year. A little goes a long way. I do not cake my hair in it or my kids' hair. I use this in my son's hair, and my son's hair is all the way down here, and he's only 2 years old. He just turned 3 in December. I just keep forgetting he turns 3, but his hair for 2 years, I've been using this and something else I'm going to show you in a minute on his hair, and I still have a lot. So I really, really recommend this one. And the one that I use, let me close it, is the castor oil one. Definitely recommend the castor oil one and coconut oil one. Those two I really love. They really, really do great things for your hair. If you really want your hair to grow, you want to have healthy scalp and stuff, just use a little bit. Just a little bit will go a long way. You just rub and massage it in your hair. You can leave this in. You don't need to use this every day, not even twice a week, sorry. You can use this once a week, just with a good amount. Just massage it in your hair, twist it up, cane roll your hair. Leave your hair for about a week or two in them cane rolls or twists. I'm telling you, you will see growth within 6 months. I can guarantee. This oldie but goodie, it's always a staple to have Blue Magic. But the organics one, it's a different one. This one has different oils, like proper oils in there. So they have a lot of ranges of them you can try out. But I really, 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 really recommend you try out Blue Magic, because it definitely helped me as well. I've been using it, but not as often anymore. But when I just started my lock journey, I was using this just to like keep my hair from drying out and stuff, and keep my edges looking nice and greased, because I hate dry hair, I hate dry locks. So I always recommend something with a nice amount of grease. Next, I'm just jumping through. I know it's Blue Magic. Blue Magic. It is Jamaica. I meant to say Jamaican black castor oil. I'm Jamaican. I really, really recommend this. This is like, apart from anything else that I've said before, definitely try out black castor oil. I'm using, right now, I'm using the extra dark one. I've lost the lid. I'm using the extra dark one, and you can buy any different types. I've tried the peppermint oil one. I've tried the rosemary one. I've tried the normal color one. They have so many different colors, and they're different purposes and stuff. But I decided to try the dark one, extra dark one, because it's a deeply conditioned hair. It makes your hair stronger, it seals in moisture, and it's a great for hot oil treatments, which is what I'm going to show you. Or you can all use this oil, all you can use all these oils for a hot oil treatment, which is why I'm showing you this to make your own concoction at home, and you don't need to buy all them fancy stuff. And it has natural ingredients, obviously. So this has castor oil, it has soybean oil, carrot oil, grapeseed oil, and kernel oil. So that's like a corn oil. And yeah, I think that's it. I only got a little bit left in there, so I'm going to pour everything all together and then make your concoction. But I'm going to show you one last thing, and yeah, definitely try it out. This one you can try out the Jamaican mango and lime one, or the Sunny Isle one, whichever castor oil you can get your hand on, but try the Jamaican black castor oil, not the white ones. The white ones will work. Like, the white ones do work, but they don't work as well as the black one does. So that's why I said that. The white one I can mix. I like mixing the white ones with olive oil and coconut oil and just put that all together. That's a nice oil treatment too. But last but definitely not least, as you see, I've talked about this before in one of my videos, but I came back and I still have it. I've got a new one waiting to open, but I had to finish this. So I'm just going to pour everything into this bottle and then just spray everything in my hair. So this is why I like to keep containers and stuff like this. And also the wild growth bottle which got a squeezy thing. It's easy to squeeze into your roots and your scalp, and just it's great to massage it in after. But this is E-Blast from Aunt Jackie's. And it's just for like little girls. It's in the like little kids section. I like using little kids stuff in my hair. They're so good. Like, there's no difference, and I don't see the difference, so why not try it? So this is Aunt Jackie's vitamin E and a flaxseed nourishing scalp remedy, and it's great for nourishing braids, scalp, locks, twists, coils, and chronically dry hair, which locks can become very, very dry. You know, 4C hair, 4B hair, everybody types of hair can get dry. I recommend you try out something like this, which has a lot of different oils in it. If you're not able to make your own concoction, it's always great to get an oil remedy or something similar to this that has tons and tons of oil. This has coconut oil, shea butter, and extra virgin olive oil, also flaxseed and vitamin E, and it's great for flaky hair, dry hair. As I said before, it's got omega-3s, and yeah, let me tell you a few of the stuff that it has in here. Right, it has soya oil. There's some long words because they didn't put like the real words of it, like the short words. So they have so much oils in here. Citric acid, paprika oil. Wow, they have so much oils in here. Definitely try out this oil. I definitely give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my sun hair to grow as well. This and the castor oil from Blue Magic, as I was talking about. I really love them, guys. So I'm gonna go now, but that was it. Just mix all of those oils together. They'll definitely do something for your hair. If you really want to see some kind of like fast growth, you can definitely do this 2 to 3 times a week with all these oils, or just a few oils, not too much. If you can't get one like this, you can mix the peppermint, you can mix some coconut, and you can mix the wild growth, or you can mix wild growth with the treats before Z. You can do anything that you want, but you definitely see growth once you're consistent, and once you don't pack too much into your hair thinking you're going to see some miraculous growth overnight. It doesn't work like that. But I really recommend these stuff, and also trying your own concoctions, because that's a great way just to get all the great nutrients from everything inside your hair. And you just wrap it up, leave it overnight. You can leave it for weeks, as I said, in twists and cane rows and braids and stuff. But you know, it definitely helps, and it's been helping me to grow my locks and my kids' hair. So whatever I use for my kids and I make sure I come and share with you guys. But hopefully you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also make sure you subscribe. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to look out for more hair videos from me because I got a lot to share, and I also got a lock update coming up soon, how I maintain these locks, because I haven't retwisted them over 6 months now and I don't know how I'm looking, but I hope I'm looking good. See you guys.